Thanks for joining me for sunset here at Kokoon. Kokoon Pueblo is a development by a wonderful Mexican named Pedro. He's put a lot of time and effort into all the details that you're going to be able to see throughout this villa. 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, rooftop pool and barbecue. It really doesn't get much better than this. With only 8 villas and 2 apartments, this is a boutique project in the heart of Region 15. The kitchen is outfitted with gas and everything that you need to cook a family meal, to make it your home, or for your guests for short-term rentals. Three bedrooms, 4 beds, with a bedroom on the main floor and 2 on the second floor. This villa is outfitted for family or groups of friends. All 3 bedrooms in this villa have outside space, 2 terraces on the upstairs ones and then the courtyard on the downstairs. We've got closets that allow you to have airflow so that your clothes are never going to get musty if you leave them in here while you're away for the summer. And additionally, the master suite has a bathtub, which is something you don't find in a lot of the villas here in Tulum. For more information about Villa 3 here at Kokoon Pueblo, feel free to reach out to me, Christie, at Christie's International Real Estate, Mexico Luxury Properties.